So it is here. My new iPad Air 4 has arrived, so let's get this thing unboxed. So we pull this arrow back like that, and then we can open the box, and there we see the iPad attached to this piece of cardboard. So we can quickly get rid of that, and then we can unbox the iPad. So we pull the plastic, and we can peel it off the box like this. So this is a sky blue colour, it is 64 gigabytes and it's Wi-Fi plus cellular. So let's open the box up. So let's take it out of the box now, and here is the iPad itself wrapped in plastic. We just have a look around it, the back of it, the Apple logo, 12 megapixel camera, then we've got the Touch ID sensor and the power button, which is nice, also the straight edges. And now we can just peel the plastic off, it's very easy, and here it is, the actual iPad. Nice home buttonless display, and then we've got the nice sky blue colour on the back, and this doesn't feature a flash, which is interesting, surprising, and then we've got just this nice straight size, which is very nice, quite a modern design. So let's have a look in the box now, and we see there's the paperwork, the usual paperwork, and there are also some Apple stickers, which is quite nice. And then also in the box we've got the charging brick, just simple 20 watts, and then the USB Type-C cable, which is nice as well. So the overall setup process is really nice. Just swipe up from the bottom, and we set our language, choose our country, and then it takes you to a page called Quick Start, as you can see here, and we can choose to set up manually, or we can do it a really fast way, which is just to bring a old device like or your current iPhone as well would work. So your old iPad or your iPhone, just bring it near, and then similar to an Apple Watch, it should come up on the screen, and you can pair from there. And it's the same, you scan that little icon on the screen, and then it transfers your data, and then you finish the rest of the setup process on the iPad itself. So now we can set up Touch ID. So in portrait mode, just rest the index finger repeatedly on the power button, same as a normal Touch ID sensor, and then we just have to readjust it so it can catch the outside sides of the fingerprint. Really quick, really simple, nice and easy. And then we can turn it landscape and do the other index finger. So the same process, lifting and raising your finger repeatedly, and then it captures it quite quickly, and then we have to adjust the fingerprint again so it can catch the outside parts of it. So it's quite a quick process as it is nowadays, and then we've got our 2 fingers added for both modes, and then it just sets up the Apple ID settings so that we are ready to go, and then we have to agree to the terms and conditions, of course, as with all companies. So then it's just the quick stuff, restoring your apps and data from the device, choosing your backup, and then we choose Apple Pay, which I'll set up later, and then Siri dictation and the iPad analytics and the app developers as well, and then we have a software update to do, and so we have a little accessory to unbox as well, which is the Magic Keyboard. So I wanted to make the iPad Air a bit of a carry-around computer for me, as the 16-inch MacBook Pro isn't as easy to carry around. So just take it out, it's quite stiff and heavy, quite computer-like, and then in the box as well there's some paperwork as well, and that's it in the box as well. We just see that paperwork here, Apple Magic Keyboard, nice and simple, nice and small, nice and sleek. So now we have to set up iPad, and we can place it on the Magic Keyboard, and then we can test it out a bit. So we should be able to wake the screen, use Touch ID, if it will work, there we go, we're in. And now we can do a little test. So scroll about on the magic key with the hand first, and then if we move to the trackpad, there you go, you see the icon there, very responsive, very easy, and then the speed of the A14 Bionic making the experience very swift and easy and very enjoyable to use. And then my overall first impressions of the iPad is it's a really quick device thanks to the A14 Bionic. It's a nice portable size. It's a bit of a shame that we don't have 120 Hz in here as with the iPad Pro, but as it's not a Pro device, 120 Hz is a Pro feature, so understandable, but it would be nice to get it in there. And then it's just a very nice, enjoyable experience with the Magic Keyboard. We've got very swift, and then opening the apps is very simple with your hands as well, and everything's very fast. I'm looking forward to using this in the long term. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more. Make sure you are subscribed to catch more content, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.